Welcome back to our Beijing Walking Tour. In part 2, we leave the city behind to stand atop one of humanity's greatest achievements, the Great Wall of China. We are at Mutianyu, a section renowned for its magnificent preservation and breathtaking natural beauty. While its foundations date back over 1,400 years, the wall we see today was masterfully rebuilt during the Ming dynasty. In the 1400s, it was fortified with purple granite to protect the capital against northern incursions. This strategic pass was a vital link in the empire's defense, guarded by elite soldiers for centuries. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Mutianyu is unique for its double-sided battlements, allowing defenders to fight from both sides of the wall. The density of watchtowers here is extraordinary, with 25 fortifications standing guard in just 3 kilometers. The Zhengguan Terrace is an architectural marvel, 3 interconnected watchtowers standing as a single massive fortress. Inside, these towers were designed as hollow multi-story barracks, a sophisticated innovation for its time. Unique branch walls extend along the ridges, ensuring no high ground was left unguarded. Known as the greenest Great Wall, Mutianyu is enveloped in forests that cover 96% of the area. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. In spring, the mountains are blanketed in a delicate sea of pink and white blossoms. Summer brings a lush, deep green canopy that makes the ancient stones feel alive. But autumn is the peak, as the foliage turns into a palette of fire, stretching for kilometers. In winter, the granite stands in stark, majestic contrast against the silent, fallen snow. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it remains one of the world's most iconic monuments. Today, modern cable cars carry visitors to the peaks, offering an easy start to an epic journey. From Tower 14, the panoramic views are unparalleled, showing the wall's path through the rugged terrain. Look closely, and you'll see the Bull's Horn, where the wall makes a steep, dramatic ascent. For the adventurous, the Hero Slope offers a steep challenge that rewards you with total solitude. And for the most fun descent, you can take a toboggan ride winding down through the forest. In the distance lies the Eagle flying upside down, a section so steep it defies belief. Did you know? Ming builders used glutinous rice in their mortar to make it exceptionally strong. The local Mutianyu village even shares a unique sister village bond with a town in Massachusetts. Its cinematic beauty has made it a favorite backdrop for international blockbusters and romance. More than just a wall, it is a symbol of endurance, unity, and the spirit of China. Join us for part 3, our final chapter, as we return to the city to explore the imperial elegance of the Summer Palace. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.